It's time to finish up the sidewalk project. The next step is to lay the plastic membrane down, tack it down, and cut the edges. Then I will be laying the paver base and then the sand base for leveling the bricks. Finished laying all the bricks for the sidewalk, so I'll give you a little tour. I still have all the cuts to do that are required, and then I have to get the sand that is brushed on the top of the bricks. So I'm so excited. I'm amazed how fast it went. Just took me probably a day and a half in total to finish laying the bricks. So here it is. Back and goes this way.
Yeah, perfect. Hi. Here we go. Now I'll just seal up the edges and then I can shingle.
Later.
Yeah.
Because it's our anniversary.
I know. Happy anniversary.
Almost finished, right?
Gotta put the flashing on at the top, otherwise it's done. I'm all done!
Yay! Hey everyone. So today is our anniversary and we are going up the shore. We already had pedicures and Joe got a manicure and we're going up the shore now to just have some nice time along Lake Superior. And we did bring Violet with us for the day, and then later my mom's gonna watch her and we're gonna go out for dinner at, where did we make reservations? At the Pickwick, a nice fancy restaurant along the shore of Duluth, along Lake Superior. So yeah.
Come a little closer, I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower, I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight.
Okay, we're stopping off at
I love the
Great Lakes Candy Store.
Candy, candy, candy.
Are you excited to have candy?
Candy, candy, candy.
Which way are we gonna go? Which one of these signs points to where we are gonna go?
Go ahead.
That's a little wonderland of variety of bears. Hug the bear, it says.
But what?
Isn't that neat?
We got
Okay. Joe's gonna take a nap
a big,
in the hammock.
a big foot.
That's a big foot.
Oh my goodness!
That is such a big bear.
Wait, that doesn't look like a bear.
It doesn't. That's somebody's rendition of a bear.
Oh my
Oh,
goodness.
look at that. She's just loving it.
Oh my goodness.
She's just loving it.
There's a fox, Mama.
Are these the footprints?
There's another fox.
Are these the footprints for the fox?
They don't.
This is so neat what they did here, huh?
Yeah, but can I go look at some other stuff?
Well, this is the end of the line here. Let's turn
But
around.
they got other stuff.
Let's turn around. Let's go see if Daddy fell asleep in the hammock.
Okay. Because he really likes falling asleep. Why'd you wake up?
Oh. Look at this. Isn't it just amazing?
We wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Oh, even in the hard time, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Even in the hard time, you and I can weather any storm.